Welcome to luxury living on the marina. Welcome to the Los Corrales Bay Towers, South Padre Island's newest marina front luxury development. Nestled within the exclusive community of the shores, this coastal condominium project offers luxury, tranquility, and convenience. Situated on 1.3 pristine acres, this 6-story building will feature 29 exquisitely designed units. Choose from 2 to 3 bedroom floor plans, or elevate your lifestyle with one of the 5 luxurious lofts offering 4 bedrooms. If you're new to this channel, my name's Denise, and we talk about the real estate here on South Padre Island. If that's of interest to you, hit subscribe so you don't miss an update. As part of the Shores community, you'll enjoy a serene environment away from the city's hustle and bustle. Yet, you're still close to it all. The Bay Towers are going to be next to the proposed 350-foot bridge over to one of the residential islands, and right in front of the proposed downtown area for coffee, sandwiches, and more.
We're going to take a closer look at the Corrales Bay Towers. We have some renderings here on PDFs that we can kind of go through. You can see that we've got across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different units. The amenities include a very large pool, which will be right looking out onto the bay. You've got cabanas on both sides. Here's a cabana, and there's fire pits here, as well as on the north side of the complex. There's covered parking out front, and again, this is looking out towards the bay. Let's take a closer look at a 3-bedroom corner unit. These are really unique. So here is your balcony. You've got an extra bedroom. There's the window for that, and an extra balcony on both ends. So this side, we are looking north, and over here, on this side, we would be looking south. Next, let's look at the side of the property. This is the bayfront here, obviously, on the bay. And then this is where you come in. You've got a porte-cochere to park under, and this is the side of the building. So the units go from front to back. This is the front side of the building, and here's where covered parking will be. We take a closer look, and as you see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units across the complex. Again, the corner units on the end have the additional balcony space on both sides, both the north and the south ends. As mentioned, this is a 6-story complex with 29 units. Let's take a look and see where this is in the Shores community. So we are looking over here towards the Gulf of Mexico, the beach waters, and here we are looking at the bay on this side. So we've got the Corrales Bay Towers are here. Now you can see that we've got docks here. So this is the marina area, which the Corrales Bay Towers are right part of that marina. And as mentioned, this is the bridge that will be going over to one of the residential islands. All the islands that are in white are proposed. They have not been surveyed out yet, but they are up and coming. All the properties otherwise that you can see in the darker or the colors have been surveyed out. Our island here is purchased, and homes are starting to construct there. Let's look at an actual floor plan. When you come into your unit, you have a foyer here. You'll walk in to the hallway area, and this takes you straight out towards the bay. The kitchen is immediately in this unit to your left, and then you have your dining and living areas here. Again, look at this large balcony. You've got 3 bedrooms. This is your first bedroom, and here is your second bedroom. And then this is the corner unit. So you've got your primary bedroom here, bath, closets, and then you've got that extra balcony here off the side. That unit is approximately 1,587 square feet. Here we have another 3-bedroom unit. This unit is not on the corner, but you've got your primary bedroom here, and it is off the balcony. So this looks out towards the bay. You have your second bedroom here, and your third bedroom is here. You come in again, you come into a foyer area. Walk in, you've got your kitchen, dining, living, and just a great view out towards the bay. Let's look at a 2-bedroom unit. Again, you come in your foyer area, you've got your kitchen this time over to the right, straight view out to this balcony. You have your primary bedroom, which is off the balcony as well, and then your second bedroom here with all the living space on the opposite side of the unit here. Now let's talk about availability. We have got 2 units on the 6th floor. These are both loft units. The first one is a 3-bedroom and it's a 4th bedroom loft. The 603 is a 2-bedroom with a 3rd bedroom up in the loft, and it's around 1,700 square feet, with the larger unit at 1,900 square feet. Additional units available are here on the 1st floor. We've got 2, and then we've got a corner unit. The only 2 corner units are down on that 1st floor. So this is the 2nd corner unit available. We have got 2 on the 5th floor, 2 on the 2nd floor, and then we've got 1 4th floor unit available here and 1 3rd floor unit right here. So the blue spaces are the units available. Let's go over some pricing. We've got units 104 and 105 available. Unit 104 is priced at $950,000. Unit 105, which is a little bit more square feet and is on the corner, is at 1,587 square feet. The cost of that unit is currently at $1,150,000. You also have Unit 101 available on the 1st floor. That unit is a 1,587 square foot unit. It's listed at $1,150,000. Let's go jump over to that 6th floor at 603 and 602. We have 602 is the 3-4. That one is approximately 1,900 square feet. It's listed at $1,250,000, so $1,250,000. Unit 603 is the 2-bedroom loft with a 3rd bedroom upstairs at around 1,700 square feet. That unit is priced at $1,150,000. Unit number 503 and 502. One is a 3-bedroom. 502 is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately 1,300 square feet. That unit is listed at $935,000. And then 503, approximately 1,231 square feet, is listed at $835,000. Now we'll skip over. There is 1 unit on the 4th floor, which is Unit 403. Unit 403 is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1,231 square feet, and we're doing living square feet, and the price is at $815,000. Unit 302 is a 3-bedroom, 1,368 square feet, priced at $895,000. And then we've got 2nd floor 204 and 203. The last 2 units available at $775,000 is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, Unit 203, which is 1,231 square feet. And then Unit 204 is a 3-3, approximately 1,368 square feet, and it is listed at $875,000. Jump on these guys, call us if you're interested.
For boating enthusiasts, the marina offers docks for sailboats, jet skis, and fishing. It's your gateway to unforgettable adventures on the water. With 2- and 3-bedroom units ranging from 1,200 square feet to over 2,000 square feet, there's the perfect home for everyone. Situated immediately upon the marina, the Corrales Bay Towers offer endless sunset views. Construction is underway, and there are a limited amount of units still available. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of paradise at the Los Corrales Bay Towers. Contact us today to reserve your dream condo on the marina. Until next time, this is Denise, signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.